everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to come here and show you guys the Roses in the Air by Wet N Wild palette. I honestly love Wet N Wild. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands. So I purchased also the Roses in the Air when I did do the last video of Wet N Wild, the Flights of Fancy. So if you guys don't know, I do have a giveaway. I'm giving away one of the color box collections. Go to that video and enter, obviously, if that's something you would like. So I do like this palette a lot. I wanted to get it when I first got it. I got the other three and this one was out of stock. So I finally actually got the one I actually wanted. So now I have all four of them. Overly excited, and I will be doing videos one by one. If that's something you guys are interested in, give me a thumbs up in this video. But if you guys look at this palette, you guys can see this palette looks like a little mini modern Renaissance palette. But I'm not comparing the both of them. Well, I kind of am right now. But this palette does do the same as the Modern Renaissance. It's super pigmented and it's really, really good with brushes. You guys know how some eyeshadow palettes don't work with some brushes. Like when you use it on a brush, you have to like wet it, or it's just not as good and it's good with the finger swatch. Well, this one is really, really pigmented and really good, you guys. So if you guys don't know which one the Modern Renaissance is, which I know you are, and I know you do know what the Modern Renaissance is. If you don't, you're living under a rock. But this is the Modern Renaissance right here. It's by the Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup brand, which is a high-end brand. All of us know that. Just in case you don't, I want to put it out there. But this is the palette right here, you guys. Look at it. Very, very similar to the colors on this palette. So that's really, really good. Comparing this one's $42 and comparing this one that is obviously $6. Well, I got it for $6. But yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this eye look, just the eyeshadow, nothing else, because this is just simply focusing on the colors on this eyeshadow palette, which is very, very beautiful. So if that's something you guys are interested in watching, keep on watching, you guys, and I love you guys so much. And let's get into the eyeshadow part. can see, this palette is very, very pigmented and worth your money. So if that was something you guys are interested in, I'm going to go ahead and leave the coupon codes down below, the link to this palette, so you guys can get your hands on it. Sorry in advance for my hair. Sorry at the end of the video. Sorry for the whole video. But yeah, my hair is very, very messy throughout the whole video. But I did want to bring you guys a video today because I do upload one day yes, one day no, one day yes. I'm trying to get back into that groove. So yeah, if you guys really like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, comment down below, and also go enter the giveaway. It's open. It's an amazing giveaway, and it's just thanking you guys for watching my videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.